Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by prepping the surface now. Clear debris and sand glossy areas so paint bonds. Once done, apply primer to raw wood or patched drywall. This prevents bleed-through and improves coverage. Make sure to stir the Davies paint thoroughly for 3-5 minutes, scraping sides and bottom. Strain if you see lumps. Next, load a 3/8 nap roller for semi-smooth walls and cut edges with a 2-angled brush. You want uniform texture. You continue by working methodically into the room. Start at the top and maintain a wet edge to avoid lap marks. Once a Forks 4 area is coated, backroll gently to even out texture and remove air bubbles. This creates a factory smooth finish. Make sure to overlap each pass by 1/8 to 1/4 blending strokes. If you need to thin for a sprayer or small touch, add only 5 to 10% water and test. Too much changes sheen and hiding power. You finish by allowing the full dry time indicated on the can before recoating. 2 coats are standard for even depth and durability. Once dry to the touch, scuff sand lightly with 220 grit and vacuum, dust away to ensure adhesion for the final coat. If you see brush or lap marks, re-roll the area while still slightly tacky to blend. If blistering or peeling appears, sand back, spot prime, and reapply. This corrects adhesion failures and restores a uniform finish.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.